Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see by the title, I'm very sad to announce that this will be my last video for a while. I've been thinking about making this for quite some time, and I think this is the right decision for me. I've really enjoyed documenting and building all of this in public, but I really don't think that's really the move as a beginner, at least for someone that's wanting to start, is someone who's not in the education space, but actually is wanting to build a service and wanting to build an actual business. I believe that this will be the best move for me moving forward, so I can actually start focusing on my product, focusing on my offer, outbound, and actual delivery. These videos do take time to make, and honestly, they're not that great. They are purely just for documentation. And so it's just, I've come to the conclusion that I really just need to make more progress on my actual business, actually have some receipts, some value to bring back to the personal brand that I could share, instead of just wasting time documenting. And I don't know if this is the right decision, but it's the decision that I'm going to do moving forward, because I really just want to hone in on all the limited focus, limited resources, limited time that I have, and really give this thing a shot. Yeah. And I just didn't want to stop posting. This is the final update. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you. I'll see you when we have something worthwhile to show. Peace.
That's the end. Fuck you.